Welcome to this week's Wednesday bonus video with Smiths on Tour, where we're about to take you on a night safari in Langkawi. Whoa!
With HAS Langkawi Tours, Smiths on Tours, touring with tours.
Guys.
Excited.
You'll just notice that I just said welcome to this Wednesday bonus video. So we've had a bit of a mix-up because we've had like the highs and lows of Smiths on Tour like we always do. And we've had to swap videos around a bit. You'll see on Wednesday the mismatch and stuff we've gone through that we've had to switch videos around. Anyway.
Yeah, it's all a bit of a jumble, but that's life. Things don't always go as planned when you're travelling full time. So anyway, make sure you subscribe, because I can see here that 70% of you guys from Malaysia aren't pressing subscribe. So get subscribing. It is worth it. It costs you nothing. Watch this. It's awesome.
This is going to be a fun one. We're going on a night safari with, hopefully, at the end, a special Bioluminescent treat. So stay with us for that.
And it's raining, so we've all got ponchos on.
You just can't predict the weather on an island, but it's still so much fun. Here we go. Let me tell you, it's a good job we've got these ponchos on, because I won't want to get wet. Oh, what a laugh. What a laugh. I haven't got my Insta 360 today, but this guy's rocking his look with the 3-metre extension. Don't forget there's a link in the description for a promo code if you want one. Yeah, thank you for promoting the cameras. I forgot mine today, but... First stop on the tour is watching sea eagles, and they are so impressive and so big. Whoa! So cool to be on the water as well, surrounded by these like rock formations and the trees and everything. It's just so exciting. And then see the eagles are just like diving down and... Honestly, it looks like the type of place where you'd see a pterodactyl flying through a valley.
You might wonder what.
Oh, let's see what's next on the tour.
Rhizophora has two, Rhizophora apiculata and monocrata. So how to recognize this Rhizophora family? If you see over there on your right side, if you see the root come outside a little bit messy from the water, from the mud, that's how we recognize the Rhizophora family. And over here, only mangrove tree can survive in salt water.
Yeah. God, I'm having the best time. Tilly's having to ask me to calm down. I'm not hyped and excited. After the mangrove and seeing the eagles have brought us to a fish farm here, where they've got loads of different fish inside these tanks, and I'm assuming they're in there to feed people. They're literally growing them for the plate. And you get to feed stingrays, which was mental. Here it is. It's going to swim up your arm to eat it. Here it comes.
Where is it?
Okay, this one Fatima.
Oh, it's got like a thing in its mouth.
It's like razor and it's inside like a little like sharp bit.
Really?
Yeah.
Did it hurt you?
No. It's like bristles of like a brush.
Wow.
Right, here's Jerry's go. What's it called again?
Abu.
Abu.
Yeah, Fatima. Fatima.
Fatima.
Whoa.
Fatima.
Oh no, she dropped it.
Oh, she's not that fat.
She's found it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's usually in it. Yeah.
Under the mouth.
It's on top, it feels like sandpaper.
Oh, underneath
felt
it
really
did.
smooth for me.
Oh no, I got a bristle brush. It must have had a touch like yours.
Like yours. We were saying that this is such a good opportunity for world schooling, isn't it?
Oh, well,
Yeah, we still can't find out the purpose of why these fish are in
They've
these
just got loads of fish in it. I think it's just for tourism.
Yeah,
it
I've
might
just
be.
been saying that I think
Or they might
I think a lot of them are in there to feed people. But why
Yeah.
the stingrays in there, whether they're eating them or not, I'm going to find out.
No, they don't eat that one. They were saying they don't eat that one.
I
Okay.
think they're just trying to tell us educationally what they are and all of this stuff. Tilly
Really?
gets a bit like protective about it because it's the ocean and it should be free, which is a bit like me as well. But
No, I agree. Actually,
they're
I
here
agree.
now, so
Yeah, but even
can't
if they
help
were rescued, they're not going to rescue a crab. They're not going to look for a crab and be
man-
like, oh, I'm rescuing you.
the mangroves and the information she's given us. One fun fact, by the way, does anyone know why Langkawi is called Langkawi? Because I do.
We do.
Do you want to know?
Send it.
Lan means
Eagle.
and Kawi means
Marble or rock.
Yeah, she's listening.
I've got to do a page on this later.
because we learned that the marble rocks are all over Langkawi. These
Yeah.
big rock formations are actually marble underneath. The eagles of Langkawi are the brown and white ones, aren't they?
Yeah, which is like the symbol of Langkawi. That's why there's a massive one at Kua.
If they don't have
City here.
if they don't have a white head yet, that means they're still young.
She's listening.
Oh, we are the perfect
Chile. Well, that's what I was just leading into here. This is an opportunity for world schooling. This is what we're saying. Like by going around the world, doing these different things, Tilly's learning all these awesome things, and so are we as well. To be fair, things that are just great, absolutely great. Anyway, there's more to this tour. This doesn't stop here, so join us as we continue for more awesomeness.
Yep, predator. You know that one, the mouth like that, yeah? The predator. And this is actually a female. How do I know?
Eggs.
Don't do it, don't do it. Actually, look at this spike here. 1, 2, 3 long, 1, 2, 3 short. That's a female. If it's a male, all 6 long. So it is important to know male and female. Like here in Malaysia, we only eat the female, but not the crab, the eggs inside. So, caviar. But of course, to eat the caviar, we have to prepare. But for your information, only small minority that eat the eggs. Even though me, I tried only once in my life. I don't really like it. It's not bad, but I don't like it. And for information, this one here, the blood is blue, not red like normal animal. So how we human harvest their blood? You see that? This one is soft. This is where they prick the needle through and they harvest the blood from. So for some species like from the Southern America, they are bigger, much bigger. That one you can harvest like in a year, maybe like in 2 years, you can harvest like 1 or 2 times maximum. 1 year, 1 time. Yeah? But here, we don't have that technology to harvest it. So we don't do it, only for eating. Yep. So this one here, I want to put it back in the water. I don't want to put it out of the water for too long, even though it is okay. Where's that one? Okay, I'm going to put it back.
It's just catching a fish straight to the restaurant.
Oh yeah, it's a snapper. It's still alive.
Yeah, that's why they've got the fish here. Gonna go and scran it. Right, Emma, you were talking about the crab.
Oh yeah, the crab, that crab, horseshoe crab. They take the blue blood out of it for cancer treatment and care, they were saying, but it's usually done in South America. So that's an interesting fact. Did you know that? Mm-hmm. She's worried about the fish being eaten right now.
Ah,
I'd rather it be eaten than just like there forever.
yeah, true. Next stop on this tour, Crocodile Cave. Why do they call it Crocodile Cave? It's mangroves and they're hoping to see a crocodile. Let's see.
I give you one clue. You have to see on your left side.
They call it Crocodile Cave because apparently it looks like a crocodile. That's its eye, and this is its face. Where's my hand? Here. And these are its teeth. I'm not so sure, and I'm gutted because I really wanted to see a crocodile. They called it a crocodile.
I've never seen an actual croc. It's a crocodile.
From the left.
No, this is it.
This is Crocodile Cave. My days, Tilly's saying that there's potential to see a crocodile is still on.
Oh, I think so. Boat's on one side.
Right, okay, hopefully we're going to go and see some crocodiles. Stay with us.
She said if the water's too high, we'll just go see the crocodiles instead of the crocodile cave.
The potential's there. We're all putting all our faith now in you.
What?
Crocodile. Tilly's found a crocodile, an actual one. Show him. Show him. We're going through the cave. Scary.
We have arrived at a bat cave. There was no crocodile, actually said. She was wrong. I was right. This is how it is. Let's kiss you in the butt.
There's a picture of Mark. There's a picture of Mark, look.
It says beware of monkeys. It's definitely beware of you. Oh no, yeah, that is similar to Mum actually. Yeah, no, that is Mum. Yeah. We're going into Bat Cave. Super scary, super eerie. We're going and looking for the bats. She said, don't touch the handrails because they're covered in guano. I gotta bend down here. Oh yeah, we're gonna be quiet as well, so don't want to scare the bats. Whoa. I'm having such a nice day. It's awesome.
Can you see?
Nope. But I'm having the best day ever. It's probably bat pale.
Oh. Look, beside this we have around 200 necks. If you see, they are hanging with one leg because one leg can go up to 10 hours. Then they will change another leg. This bat will eat a mosquito and firefly. In 1 hour, they can eat 600 mosquitoes. Whoa. Oh, zoom in. And one extra holiday, I can make barbecue.
That's a lot of bats. I'm scared. Very similar to you.
This one will go as a stalactite, or sometimes we call it as a stalactite. In Langkawi, 1 millimeter of stalactite needs 50 years old to grow. It's slow because it depends on rainy season. You can tell me?
I really like that. I've just been saying to these guys that this has been one of the best tours we've done in the last 7 months.
The most educational, I'd say.
Okay.
The people are so friendly. Yeah, we'll get on last. The boat's come to pick us up. We've done all the sightseeing apart from one epic adventure that we're going to go on at the end of the day. Oh, and we've got a sunset as well.
If we can see it.
If we can see it. It's sort of raining still here, but I reckon over there, where the sun seems to be setting, looks a bit better than here. Next stop was a sunset out in the sea. We've driven out into the sea on the boat. It's so stunning. The water's so warm as well, just been touching the water here. Honestly, so warm. But the sunset's like not really firing, but it's amazing to see all the clouds. What do you think, Tills? Look at her swearing.
Super flat, isn't it?
Here we go, yeah. Stunning.
Nose again.
She tells me because I talk like this to the camera and I don't know what it looks like on your 50-inch televisions.
Jungle.
Take it back, that's one of the best sunsets I've ever seen. Oh, that is epic. We're living a dream, aren't we? Keep saying it in all the videos that this is the opportunities we've presented ourselves with. For all the people out there watching our videos looking for some inspiration, I mean, how much more do you need? Now I'll show you the food.
Next. I know it's straight in the garden. We just keep whichever. Yeah. That's good.
Here's the food. And this is all included in the price. It's unbelievable. Fried fish, fried chicken, salad, noodles, rice, the lot.
And juice and fruit.
And juice and fruit. What a dream. Oh man, that sunset was amazing as well, wasn't it?
Yeah, firing.
So good. Food, which is a massive treat, and then one more treat to come.
I can't wait.
We've got everything crossed that we're going to see this treat. Here we go.
Alright, we're going out. Look how dark it is in the sky. It is a new moon, so it's super dark tonight.
Yeah.
And we're hoping to see something special. So everyone's getting on the boats ready now. Look at this. The food was delicious.
I'm living dream.
Unfortunately, we couldn't actually show you what it was, but it was plankton in the water and it was just glistening everywhere. So we saw it.
The camera just wouldn't pick it up. We tried, but through our own eyeballs, we absolutely loved that. And you put your hand in the water and mix it all up, and you can see all this like glow in the dark plankton. Honestly,
and the more light there is, the worse it is to actually see the plankton. So we just enjoyed it. Tilly loved it, didn't you, Till? She was like stirring it. Oh, she found cats. She's found some friends.
Hello.
It's about 9 o'clock at night, so we've had like a 4-hour tour, and it cost us 180 ringgit each, which is an absolute bargain for what we've had. We've had food, we've gone to the bat cave, we went to a crocodile that wasn't a crocodile.
Crocodile.
We've been on boats, we've had information, we've gone to the Bioluminescence, we've gone to the sunset. Like, honestly, one of the best trips we've been on.
The staff was so friendly. Honestly, HAS Langkawi is the tour that we booked on with.
We'll put the link in below, but yeah.
Yeah.
And
amazing.
Check out our blog because I'll put all the information if you want to go. smithsontourblog.com. I hope you enjoyed our short little video. And this is also how Tills learns as well. Like, she learns as we move along when we do tours like this. So it's worth every penny.
Thanks, guys.